Hi there, this is a piano, and this we will be going over basic simple chords, major and minor chords. First and foremost, we're going to start with finding middle C. If you look, there's a mixture of black and white keys. Middle C is a white key. So we're going to figure out which one middle C is, okay? So you see these two groups of 2 and of 3. We will not play any of those today. We are just going to focus on middle C. Middle C is to the left, primarily to the left of these two black keys. You see two grouped black keys, look to the left, you find your middle C. Mainly, two groups, middle C. Find it, middle C. Two groups, middle C. And now you can tell they're in octaves. Two groups, middle C. Now you found middle C. Now we may begin. Now we have middle C right here. We're going to begin with the major chord. Now the major chord in between these intervals up here, here's your C major chord. But to establish and make this simple, for simple chords, you notice 1, 2, and 3 piano keys in between. Keep that in mind. In a major chord, there will always be 3 keys, 3 piano keys in between. Always 3 piano keys in between a major chord. These two intervals, for the next two intervals, these two up here, you notice there are 2 piano keys in between. And this is for any chord. You have 3 chords in between the first interval, 1, 2, in between the second interval. Second interval, first interval. Now for the minor key, watch as my middle finger goes down 1. Now I hope you heard the tone mixture and change in the tone. Okay? This is the only thing that switches from a major key to a minor key. You have a major key, 1, 2, 3. You have 1, 2, 3 in between, and you have 1, 2 piano keys in between, and the third only moves down 1. Let's say you want to play a minor key, you want to find a minor key first. You don't necessarily have to find, okay, here's the major key, 1, 2, 3, and then you have to move it down. Notice they have the same intervals but flip-flopped around. 1, 2 piano keys in between this interval, but now this one has 3 keys in between. So it's flip-flops. You have 2 and you have 3. When you have the major key and it's in the major key, you're going to have 3 in between and then 2 in between. Here's your C major chord, C minor chord. Now let's go. It works for any chord. We're going to go to the D major chord. D right here, you want to find a major chord. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2. D major chord. 1, 2, 3 keys in between. Like I said, it's going to work for every chord. You have 3 keys in between. And then 2 for the next interval. There's your D major chord. You want the minor chord. Easy shift right here. Let's say you want to find a minor chord first. Like I said, you can go, alright, now let me find 2 keys in between. 1, 2, that means I have to play it there. And then you want to find 3 afterwards. 1, 2, 3. Then I must have to play this one. Let's say you want to go from a D minor chord, sorry. You're going to go from a D minor chord to a D major chord. All you do is move your third finger up. Because when you're in major key, you want to go to a minor key, you move your third finger down. And when you're in a minor key and you want to go to a major key, you move your third finger up. And there's 2. This works for